this brake line that goes all the way up to the front pedal cluster. And what's holding it in place here right now are all these little tabs. Just gotta pull them up out of the way. Alright, so I got to take the pedal cluster off to get to the brake line. Okay, now I have to be very careful here. The one I pulled out from this side, you can see it has this tube that it fits through. And if you pull that out, pull the whole bolt out without pulling that out, it's just going to drop. It's just going to drop inside this tunnel, go down there to the bottom, and you're not going to be able to get it out. So I'm going to put some more penetrating oil on it, just to make sure it slides out. Well, I'm going to have to unbolt all of these first, and then just pull the master cylinder out from that side. Alright, now I might actually be able to pull it through. Let's see. Oh man. There we go. Oh, brake fluid. Didn't know there was actual brake fluid in there. Yeah, this was leaking, and all this corrosion around the pedal cluster here, and this is a lot of flaky rust and dirt. Let's see if I can get that washer, that tube out of here without having it fall in the tunnel. This guy is super long. Let's see if I can actually blow through this. Oh yeah. This brake line, this long brake line that goes through the entire length of the body, was actually not leaking at all. There was still brake fluid in this line, and there wasn't any dripping out the front. It was kind of all dripping right down by the pedal cluster. So, I guess the leak was probably right at the master cylinder. Back up by the accelerator pedal, I just thought I would point this out. Aside from the accelerator cable, there are two different types of baling wire used to secure this part to the underside of the pedal, the other side of the accelerator pedal, which it would hook to right here, and this big mangle of wires is still hooked on here. This almost looks like a paper clip or something.